Hello and welcome back to another video on my YouTube. Today we're going to be taking a look at this exponential system. We need to find the values of the two unknowns a and b when we already know that 9 to the power of a take away 4 to the power of b is 17. So where do we begin? We're going to use the difference of two squares laws because 3 squared is 9 whilst 2 squared is 4. And due to the indices multiplication being commutative, we can simply swap around the powers, because a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n to the power of m. And so 9 to the power of a is actually equal to 3 to the power of a all squared, whilst 4 to the power of b is equal to 2 to the power of b all squared, and when we subtract them, it is equal to 17 still. This is the difference of two squares law, and we can simply replace 3 to the power of a with a and 2 to the power of b with b, and we can get our value of the equation. So 3 to the power of a all squared take away 2 to the power of b all squared is equal to 3 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of b multiplied by 3 to the power of a minus 2 to the power of b, and this is equal to 17. So now we have to do a bit of analysis. If we add or subtract 3 to the power of a and 2 to the power of b, the values will always be odd because every power of 3 is odd and every power of 2 will be even. And when we do odd take away even, it will always give us an odd number. So now we have to consider what we can do with the 17. 17 is a prime number, so it only has two factors, which is 1 and itself. And this is essential because we can simply relate 3 plus 2 to the power of b and 3 to the power of a minus 2 to the power of b with the factors of 17. So 17 is 1 times 17, which is quite easy to remember. And when we have integer solutions, when we add the two values together, it will always be larger than when we minus the two values together. So we can simply equate the minus sign with the 1, the smaller value, and the plus sign with the larger value, which is 17. So now we're going to combine the equations to solve for a or solve for b. In this case, we'll solve for a. So if we add the equations together, the 2 to the power of b's on both sides cancel out, whilst we get 1 plus 17 on the right hand side and 2 lots of 3 to the power of a on the left hand side. And you can see that there on your screen. 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of a is equal to 18. So how do we solve for a? If we divide both sides by 2, we get 3 to the power of a is equal to 9. And this is quite easy to solve. A is simply 2 because 3 squared is 9. So what is b? If we insert 9 back into one of the equations above, let's say the negative one, so with 3 to the power of a take away 2 to the power of b is equal to 1, we get 9 take away 2 to the power of b is equal to 1. And so if we do some rearranging, we get 8 is equal to 2 to the power of b. And so what's b? B must be 3 because 2 cubed is 8. So thank you for watching this video today. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.